morning to everyone present here. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy is a very famous English proverb. We all have heard it at least once in a lifetime. Sports are a very crucial part of everyone's life, which helps the participants to learn various virtues like teamwork, coordination, and also helps to keep the body strong and healthy. Continuous work not only tires you but also reduces your productivity. So, to have better productivity and focus, it is better to have a sports activity adopted. It can be any game that you like or even just a walk. But physical activity is good to ensure that you remain active and diligent in the way you work. Sports brings new energy in the hearts and minds of the children. A sound mind resides in a sound body. Sports and games help in large muscle coordination, resulting in physical fitness. Apart from inculcating sports, apart from inculcating sportsmanship, leadership, unity, competitive spirit among the students. So, keeping the importance of the sports in our minds, New Horizon School has organized the first online 4-day sports meet from 28th to 31st December 2020. We will start our today's first online sports inauguration ceremony with the blessings of Almighty Allah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek protection from Allah from Satan, the rejected one.
पना चाहता हूँ अल्लाह की शैतान मर्दूद से. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है. इन्न हाज़िही उम्मतुकुम उम्मतन वाहिदा व अना रब्बुकुम फ़अबुदून.
Indeed, this community of yours is one community, and I am your Lord, so worship me.
और लोगों यकीन रखो कि ये तुम्हारा दीन है जो एक ही दीन है और मैं तुम्हारा परवरदिगार हूँ, लिहाजा तुम मेरी इबादत करो. وتقطعوا أمرهم بينهم كل إلينا راجعون.
They have fragmented their religion among themselves. Every one of them will return to us.
और लोगों ने अपने दीन को आपस में टुकड़े टुकड़े करके बांट लिया, मगर सब हमारे पास लौट कर आने वाले हैं. ومن يعمل من الصالحات وهو مؤمن فلا كفران لسعيه وإنا له كاتبون.
Whoever does righteous deeds, should he be faithful. His endeavor shall not go unappreciated, and we will indeed write it for him.
फिर जो मोमिन बनकर नेक अमल करेगा उसकी कोशिश की नाकदरी नहीं की जाएगी और हम इस कोशिश को लिखते जाते हैं. सदक़ल्लाहुल अलीयुल अज़ीम.
So truly Allah, the Most High, the Most Sublime.
सच फरमाया अल्लाह ने जो बुलंद मर्तबे और अजमत वाला है.
Jazakallah khair. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Now, we present lamp lighting ceremony and welcome song by Iram and Adiba.
स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं आनंद मंगल मंगलम. स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं आनंद मंगल मंगलम. शाश्वत सुविकसित निधि शुभम् आनन्दमङ्गल मङ्गलम् अर्थ स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतम्.
Thank you, Iram and Nadima. May each one of us have our own light, so no matter what challenges might arise, we must step into the light and move forward. On behalf of New Horizon School, I take this opportunity to welcome our Chief Guest Dr. Vikram Singh, Director, Department of Physical Education, Jawaharlal Nehru University. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out your valuable time for us. I would also like to extend a very warm welcome to our honorable management members, President Sir Vidu, Mr. Shabi Ahmed, General Secretary Vidu, Mr. Sultan Iqbal Chaudhry, Chairman Sir, New Horizon School, Dr. Salahuddin Ahmed Siddiqui, Manager Sir, Mr. Kamal Faruqi, Mr. Mohammad Naki, Dr. Mohammad Aslam Parvez Sahab, Principal Ma'am, Miss Sulekha Mehra, respected teacher and all the participants. Thank you so much for joining us on our first online sports meet. Now, I would like to request our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Vikram Singh, to address the gathering.
Thank you, beta Sumaya Khan. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
I express my gratitude and thankfulness on the auspicious occasion of the New Horizon School's first virtual sports meets inaugural ceremony. Let me express my gratefulness to the management members, Dr. Salahuddin Ahmed Siddiqui, Chairman, Mr. Kamal Faruqi, Manager, Mr. Shabi Ahmed, Member, Mr. Mohammad Naki, Member, Mr. Sultan Iqbal Chaudhry, Member, Dr. Mohammad Aslam Parvez ji, Member, Mr. Khan, Member. Special thanks to Ms. Sulekha Mehra, Principal Ma'am. I express my gratitude and thankfulness to dear close friend Madam Prerna, physical education staff, the other staff of the school, my dear students, children, ladies and gentlemen. It is very heartening to see that the school is organizing today its first virtual sports day. And probably till the time of lockdown, this is the first time I am attending a virtual sports day program. I haven't attended so far an online program. Although the joy and the visualization of offline sports days cannot be replaced by the online programs, because when you see the children running around in the playfield live offline, the joy and the happiness of that feeling is altogether very, very vibrant and very different. But still, I congratulate the Department of Physical Education, the school, for organizing it online. So it is like never die spirit. Even if we are sitting at the coziness and comfort of our homes, you people are still working to make this sports day a real one, a visual one, and the best one. So I salute you all, the entire IT team, for your seeking spirit in organizing this online program. See, as you must have heard, in 394 AD, there were these ancient Olympic Games. And these games were basically organized just to fend off or just to get a relief from wars and small battles, because there were nations in the ancient Greece which were always fighting amongst each other. It was divided into Athens and Sparta, if you have read it in the history, because that's what in the field of physical education we study and teach. Athens and Sparta was divided on in terms of culture also. The Spartans used to believe in men of action and wisdom. Sorry, men of action only. Whereas Athens used to believe in the development of men and women both, and that too of action as well as wisdom. So you can understand which one was more progressive, which one was more regressive. Now, in 394 AD, Greece men and women used to be very tall and beautiful. And there was this often saying that whosoever is the strongest, whosoever is the beautiful, will get the best male and female partner. And the children who used to be born physically challenged, they were left to die on Mount Tegatus to be eaten by the wild animals and the birds. So that was the kind of approach in those times, that they used to consider the good and able-bodied children only to be the assets for sports, for fighting, because their main aim was to develop soldiers. They wanted people to only obey, only listen and then do, but not to think much. And after that, in 1894, there was a very big conference in Europe. And that conference resolved that the ancient Olympic Games will be revived, but with a new agenda. As we all know, in 1896, the first modern Olympic Games were held. And in those Olympic Games, there was this French nobleman, Baron Pierre de Coubertin. You must have heard about him. He is also called the father of modern Olympic Games. This person knew the positivities of those ancient games, because he always used to say the sports and games actually are not meant to destroy anything, but it is a kind of catharsis wherein you can prove your superiority in terms of physical and mental and team and leadership abilities through healthy participation in sports and games. Earlier also it used to be a 14 days event, 15 days event, inclusive of inauguration and closing ceremony, and even today it is a 15 days event. But immediately after the Olympics, you must have seen there are Paralympics, which are immediately organized after the Olympic Games and at the same venue. So we can see the format change. The Baron Pierre de Coubertin used to say one thing. He was against any kind of professionalism. We see today all the professional players are playing Olympics, are participating in the Olympics. At that time, there used to be only flowers. There was no medals, only flowers and only some kind of braces which were given to the winners. So there was no money involved. There was no much pomp and show. Yes, spectators used to be there, but it was not attached to any kind of incentives or money. But it was considered as a matter of prestige to have participated. That is why Baron Pierre de Coubertin, who was a supporter of amateurism, said, "It is not important to win, but to take part." That's what he meant with sports. He again said, "It is not important to have conquered, but to have fought well." He also said, "It is not important to have succeeded, but to have tried hard." As we see today, our classrooms are also inclusive. So is the field of sports and physical education. Now, let me, in another 2 to 3 minutes, tell you the difference between sports, physical education, and training. See, physical education is a very big umbrella under which comes sports also. When we talk about sports, it means competitive competition. As you must have seen today, Government of India has incorporated yoga into yoga competitions. But I have my reservations with yoga being a competitive activity. We can see that in order to win medals, in order to win big prizes, the money-minded sports persons use drugs, doping, and all kind of Samdam Dandabhed methods to win medals. In a way, our ethos, our ethical values take a back seat. That is why I say that yoga has a very high regard in the eyes of people because it is more of healing, it is more of spiritual, it should not be a competitive activity. However, there is another aspect which I think that yes, yoga will be promoted more and more initially at the primary level because all the children they don't want to actually meditate, they always want to play. And after they are tired of playing vigorous games, big muscle activity in the play field, they feel they would like to then concentrate better in their studies and develop upon their intellectual abilities later on. And also we know that the more hard you play, the more and more physical activity you do, you have better sleep in the night. I once again express my gratitude and thankfulness to all the people, all the parents, and I want to highlight the role of teachers. As a parent, I am also realizing the importance of teachers. No matter Corona lockdown is there or not, but you can never replace a teacher. So my advice to teachers is to please keep working hard. Even today, my wife is also a school teacher, and early morning, she is always struggling with the laptop, with the setting up of mic, and then cooking, and then admonishing my son. And sometimes I am also in that round. She takes care of me as well. So teachers need a very big salute because you are the people who are connecting. You are the most important link between the parents and the IT teams and the management. I want to say to the parents that you must have realized during your online PTM meetings how important is the physical activity. No matter the children are confined to their places, but please encourage them yourselves. And it is only 1 and 2 children you are handling. Look at the teachers who are handling 40 to 50 children in their classrooms. You must have realized that, and everybody has realized the importance of hard work which is being put forth by the teachers. And I have come to know from my reliable sources that the New Horizon School is one of those very few schools who adequately and rightly promote and motivate their school teachers very well. So I won't take too much of time now because I suppose it is more important for the kids to perform their activities. I once again express my gratitude. Very many thanks to all of you. Thank you very much. All the best.
Sumaya, please unmute yourself. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words really mean a lot to us. As we all know that for good physical fitness and strength, sport is an integral part of our life. So let's all feel energetic while seeing a performance on aerobics and yoga by the students of New Horizon School. That was really energetic. Now, let's refresh our memories and have a look on glimpses of last year's sports day in New Horizons School.
और खेलना चाहते हैं हम,
खूब खेलो साथ में है हम,
और खेलना चाहते हैं हम,
खूब खेलो साथ में है हम, हम 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 हम
खेल में ही मस्ती है, खेल तंदुरुस्ती है, खेल से आबाद होंगे हम, आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं हम,
मत करो साथ देंगे हम, हम 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 हम
चांद छूना चाहते हैं हम,
उड़ चलो पंख देंगे हम, खेल डर मिटाएगा जीतना सिखाएगा, खेल से उड़ान देंगे हम, हम 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 हम
खेल में क्या बात है, एक दूसरे का साथ है, खेल से ही मैं बनेगा हम,
हम 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 हम
खेल से मुस्कान पाए हम, खेल से पहचान।
I really miss those days. Throughout the course of sports history, there had been many sports personalities who have inspired the masses. So, let's go ahead and see a small presentation by our talented Horizonites.
दो पहलू होते हैं। हर सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं और जीते हुए को लोग सिकंदर कहते हैं, मगर जो दिल से खेलते हैं उनकी कभी हार नहीं होती। मगर जो दिल से खेलते हैं उनकी कभी हार नहीं होती। या तो वो जीत जाते हैं या फिर कुछ सीख जाते हैं।
Hi friends, I am Usain Bolt. I am from Jamaica. I am a sprinter. I like to run fast, very fast. Okay, take care. I am Karnam Mareshwari, Indian weightlifter. I have won 11 gold medals and 3 silver medals, including Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan, Padam Shri and Arjun Award. And I am also proud to be the first Indian woman who won an Olympic medal in 2000 at Sydney. Thank you. हेलो एवरीबॉडी, मेरा नाम ज़बीन अंसारी है। मैं सेकेंड क्लास में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरा पसंदीदा खेल बैडमिंटन है। मेरी पसंदीदा खिलाड़ी साइना नेहवाल है। साइना का जन्म 17 मार्च 1990 को हुआ था। साइना को बचपन से ही बैडमिंटन खेलने का बहुत शौक था। साइना को बैडमिंटन के खेल में बहुत से इनाम मिले हैं। साइना का सबसे बड़ा सम्मान राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न पुरस्कार मिला है।
Hello, I am Deepika Kumari. I am from Ranchi and I am an archery player. In archery, I am ranked world number 9 position. I won a gold medal in 2010 Commonwealth Games. I got Arjuna and Padma Shri award for archery. My highest world ranking is number 1. Thank you.
मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता।
Hello everyone, I am Babita. I have won 2 gold medals in Commonwealth Games. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Geeta. I have won a gold medal in Commonwealth Games. Thank you.
में करते हैं तारे दंगल।
I am Dimma. Divine Master Vishwanath Anand.
Born in Haryana on 17th March 1990. When I was 8 years old, I started playing badminton to fulfill my mother's dream of becoming a national level badminton player. I was the first Indian badminton player who had won Olympic medals. And I was the first Indian who had reached the final of BWF World Championship. And I also won gold medals in Commonwealth Games. And I also received Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Arjun Award by the Government of India. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you.
Ludo King, Ludo King. Ludo King, Ludo King. Ludo King, Ludo King. Oh, hello Ludo King, Ludo King, Ludo King. Number one. Ha!
Hello everyone, my name is Aisha Tial and my name is Mohammed and we are here to tell you some information about the Ludo game. Ludo game is originated in India. It has become very popular during lockdown. People are playing it with their families and friends. So let's play it. I am Green Token. I am Blue Token.
Start.
Let's see who will win. Wow, we both need one to win.
That was really a wonderful performance. I would now like to request our Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Vikram Singh and Honorable Management members to release e-newsletter of the Sports Department. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. I would now like to update you all with the upcoming events for the next 4 days. Now, let's end this inaugural ceremony with the school song followed by the national anthem.
बनके आए करम इल्म की रोशनी, आए हम हर कदम इल्म की रोशनी। बनके आए करम इल्म की रोशनी, आए हम हर कदम इल्म की रोशनी। हम तजस्सुस न हो, हम न हो जुस्तजू, हम में तहकीक की हम न हो आरज़ू। हम तजस्सुस न हो, हम न हो जुस्तजू, हम में तहकीक की हम न हो आरज़ू। हमको दे जाम जम इल्म की रोशनी, बनके आए करम इल्म की रोशनी। इल्म हमको सदाकत की तरगीब दे, इल्म इखलाक दे, इल्म तहजीब दे। इल्म से जो मिले ज़हन दिल को जिला, वो मदावाए दुनिया की तरकीब दे। हाँ करे ये बहम इल्म की रोशनी, बनके आए करम इल्म की रोशनी। बनके आए करम इल्म की रोशनी, आए हम हर कदम इल्म की रोशनी। खाकसारी भी हो, सरबुलंदी भी हो, अज़्म आहन भी हो, दर्दमंदी भी हो, एक ज़र्रे की भी दिल में ताज़ीम हो, और सितारों की सी अर्जुमंदी भी हो। भर ले आँखों में हम इल्म की रोशनी, बनके आए करम इल्म की रोशनी। बनके आए करम इल्म की रोशनी, आए हम हर कदम इल्म की रोशनी, इल्म की रोशनी। जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
Now, we are ending with this inaugural ceremony and let's proceed towards our venues. With the permission of our Honorable Chief Guest and Honorable Management members, we would like to end this meeting.